Hey, I want to show you this portable door lock that I just ordered from Amazon. It comes with two. One is already in the door. I'm going to show you how to install it. But I think this is good for people who are in college, traveling, or even your house. The good thing is you get two of these for about 10 bucks. All right, let me show you how to install it. Now to install this, you want to fit this piece into this piece here. There we go. Once you have it fitted in this door area here where the handle is, you want to take this piece here where you see this little piece, and you want to put the end of the triangle up against the door, slide it in. See, the door is not locked right now, but you can't open it. I lock it and it works. There you go. And if you want to know how to take it out, you just put your fingers in here, wiggle a little bit, and there you go. That's it. This is how you want it to look. You want it to look just like this, where the circle is facing up, the chain is hanging down, and you want this round piece as close to the door as possible. And see, I'm locking it now. Try this out. I'll have the information listed below. Thank you. To remove it, you want to put your finger on this little piece right here, and it just comes right off. And now your door will open.